Hey guys, welcome back. This is Lena. How are you guys doing? I hope all of you are doing really well. So guys, today is my jumpy day. I was about to oil my hair and then I thought, I haven't told you guys about this hair oil that I've been applying for like almost 3 to 4 weeks now. Yes, it's the Indulekha Bringha Oil. So guys, I've been applying this for about 3 to 4 weeks now, and I've seen results. Like my hair has grown and there's no hair fall. So I know this is a bit late, everybody's tried this hair oil. So I got to know about this hair oil because of my house help. Suddenly I saw her hair growing like really long, and then I was like, what are you applying? Aap kya laga rahi ho? And then she's like, Didi, main to Indulekha oil laga rahi hu. I'm like, really? Does it really work? So I thought I'll only get it and try it myself. So I got this oil online, but I must tell you the price. It's a little expensive. So this bottle is for 432 rupees. That's too much for a hair oil, but I've applied it and actually my hair is grown. So my hair is almost till my waist now. And so the good thing about this oil is it comes with this like a comb, so it's so easy to apply the hair oil. I'm going to apply this hair oil and show you right now. So let's start. So guys, I'm just going to take this. It comes in a bottle like this, as I told you, and you can also remove this and apply it, but then this makes the application really simple, and it's like it's less messy. So I'm just gonna comb my hair like you generally comb your hair. Just take this and start applying it. So I'm gonna section my hair. This is my middle parting. So you might have to squeeze it a little so the oil comes out like this. So once I've done that, I'm just going to bend down like this, and I'm going to apply the oil here as well. To apply oil on the ends also because my hair is colored and it's kind of damaged. So I'm gonna apply it and then I'm gonna brush it like this. I mean, just comb it. So once you've done that, I like to massage my scalp. The blood circulation increases and then your hair will grow faster. I'm just gonna tie my hair into a bun. That's it. So guys, I've done applying the hair oil. So let's talk about this Indulekha Bringha Oil. So it's written it's not a hair oil, it's an Ayurvedic medicine. So it's that good for you. It's good for your hair. Your hair will really grow long. I've tried it, and especially my house help. I mean, her hair has grown so long and she's got really good hair now, and she's been applying it for 6 months. So she's like, Didi, aap try karo, bahut hi acha hai. So I tried it and it doesn't smell bad or anything. I tried a few Ayurvedic oils, they had that really bad stinky smell, that chabeli type ka tel or whatever. This is not like that. It doesn't smell great, but bearable, not bad at all. And yes, the price point, it's a bit expensive, but then it's like an investment for your hair. I mean, you want that long hair, you don't want hair fall. You won't even get dandruff after you start applying this. So it's a total yes from me, and you guys should try it and let me know in the comment section below. And and I've also gotten rid of my nose ring. I know you all hated it in my last video, so bye bye nose ring. And if you guys want to ask me anything or tell me something, let me know in the comment section below. And I'm also on Instagram, go follow me there. It's called Leena Gowda Official. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.